Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are back at Universal Studios Hollywood. I haven't been here in a little bit, so I'm hoping there are some updates. So our plan is to ride the studio tour so we can get a Halloween Horror Night update. And of course we're gonna walk around and just see what's new. So come along and let's go. Okay, since it is a sold out day, the first thing we did, we ran to the studio tour because it is gonna be packed today. But today the studio tour was a little different. First they rerouted us because like in Little Mexico area they were filming, and then Bruce, the Jaws area, he was getting a little refurb as well. So as we were going through the studio tour, we were rerouted and we didn't go through like the little second picture cars, the Bates Motel, War of the Worlds, Jupiter's Claim. So I do feel bad for those who like are barely going on the studio tour for the first time because they definitely missed a big chunk of it. We did get a new little route and we did get closer to, to that blue screen. So we did see that. And I'm not the biggest fan of the Fast and the Furious, so I was like, oh, I hope we get to skip that. But we didn't, we went through it. That studio tour was a lot different. But I did show you the facade. It was shaky. I tried to get as best as I could, but they are definitely working on the facade and they are making a lot of progress. I don't see the other house or tent going up in the Curious George lot yet, so I'm pretty surprised about that. But they are focusing on that one house that I'm showing you. Also, as we were exiting the studio tour, they now have like this net right above me, as you could see. I'm not sure if it's because of the winds, the debris. I'm not sure why they have it, but this is just different. I'm not used to seeing it. As we were heading to the lower lot, today it says Super Nintendo World right here, and it says current return times available. So of course you would go onto the app and reserve your spot to get into the land. Right now, The Simpsons is going off behind me. Okay, let's let's see how long it would take to get in today. So the earliest is 3:45. Right now it's 11:14. I don't know if I'm gonna be here that late, but I'm just gonna reserve it just in case I wanna go in later. It is so windy, I hope you can hear me, but I came to this area over here just to see if they started any construction, any tent being up, but nothing as of yet. This one was worked on pretty early last year, so I wonder when they're gonna start working on this house. Also, the one and the studio tour, there's nothing going on over there, but that one was up later last year. This one was just like a little earlier than it is now. Okay, and you can see the lower lot's already pretty crowded down there. You can see the crowd over there and the crowd for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. In the morning they said this is a sold out day, so it's gonna get even crazier as the day progresses. Alright, here at the lower lot at the drinks, popcorn, snack stand, the line is all the way down over here. A snack, a popcorn, but they did get a new popcorn holder. I tried to like zoom in so you could see it. It's super cute. I was actually gonna wait in line and get some popcorn to show you like up close look, but look at this line. It is all the way over here, and I am not gonna wait this long for some popcorn. Even the Panda Express line comes out through here. Ooh, it's gonna be a crazy day here at Universal. So I'm currently in Hogsmeade. Look at the line for the butterbeer over here. But what I came here for is that I wanted to tell you, starting March 25th, a Saturday, they will be showing Dark Arts, which is like a projection show here on the Hogwarts Castle. So if you're coming, make sure to check the app, because as you can see, this is where you could find which dates they'll be playing the show. So right here it says March 25th to April 9th, May 27th to 29th, June 17th to August 13th. So this is a really good show. It focuses more like on the darkness of the dark arts. So they have like the Dementors, the Death Eaters, but it is gonna be over here. So make sure to check the app for the show times. So if you're in the park during those dates, you're gonna definitely wanna check it out. Busy, busy, busy. Taking a little back route over here. It's a little less crowded in this route than the middle. But yes, very busy day here today at Universal Studios. Spring break crowds are here, have been here. Of course, I had to come over here to check the current progress of this Halloween Horror Nights house. Again, I couldn't see much. Walls are definitely vertical, but there are currently like no facades sticking out. It looks like this house is pretty tall. Look at like those wood beams They are high up over here. You can get a little peek with the wind blowing through. A tiny peek. Oh, there's a gust. Now that I'm on the upper lot, it feels like a lot of people definitely headed to the lower lot. Super Nintendo World is carrying those crowds. But up here, at the moment, it's not too bad around like the pets area. So now that I'm here, I wanted to talk about a few things. First thing is that the Universal passes have officially went up in price. I mean, I know it was expected, especially since Super Nintendo World has opened. I'm bummed because I was supposed to renew on April 11th. I'm currently a gold member, but I really want platinum, so I wanted to get platinum on April 11th. And of course, right before I was going to get my pass, they had an increase. But again, Super Nintendo World is here, so it was pretty expected that these passes were going to increase. The second thing I wanted to talk about is that Universal Studios Orlando got some Halloween Horror Nights merch. They did a reveal. Usually they'll get it first and then we'll get it second. But the only thing about this merch is that they have a new slogan, and it is "See you in the fog." And for those of you who know, like here on the West Coast, Knott's Berry Farm, who hosts Knott's Scary Farm, that is like their saying, "See you in the fog." If you've been to Knott's Scary Farm, you know, like you go through Ghost Town, they pump that fog through for their haunt event. You cannot even see sometimes as you're walking. So you definitely always hear that saying at Knott's Scary Farm. So it's interesting to see that Universal actually put it on some merch this year, especially it's Knott's Scary Farm 50th anniversary, but they did. So if that does happen to land over here, I'll definitely show you. But again, I just thought it was really interesting that they kind of took Knott's Scary Farm slogan. The plaza is still undergoing refurbishment, and if you stand by it, you could really hear like the construction work going on behind here. So I can't wait till they clear these walls and we're able to walk through. I really like the plaza, and I really like sitting around and in it. Here's a quick little view in the Hello Kitty store of the new Hello Kitty Loungefly collection. We got a backpack, a purse, and a wallet. It is super cute. I love this little merch, and look at these little ears that they have. How cute are those? And I just think they're just super adorable. I just really love like all the little Tim merch that they have. I love Tim too. We got the Minion. But again, like when this came out, this stuff sold out super quick, and there are very few of them, so I could tell they're already popular. But I love that they're bringing different ears. They're so cute. All right, we know that Chucky is going to be an official house here at Halloween Horror Nights for the new series. How do you guys feel about that? I'm hearing a lot of people not super excited, not a fan of the show. Personally, I really do like the show. I think it's good. So I'm hoping the house will be good as well. But how do you guys feel about Chucky coming to Halloween Horror Nights? Oh, look at this little King Kong plush. This is super cute as well. They've had this one, but I haven't seen this little version. How cute. Something I'm surprised is that they haven't brought back the hats, like the Mario hat, the Luigi hat, or any of them. They should have ordered those for sure when the land was opening, because those will be flying off the shelf. I mean, they flew off the shelf so fast when the land wasn't even open. But now that people are here visiting, people definitely want to wear that gear. Here outside of the Universal Studios store in City Walk, they did get their wrap for Super Mario Bros. The movie, and it looks so good. I love when they decorate out here. It really gets you excited for those movies. And people are here just getting their little photos with Mario. So it's always nice when they decorate outside of the store. I really like it. We've seen Minions before and other movies, but this Mario movie looks amazing. Here in the Universal store, they do have this Kid Robot Minion figure. You can see like his skeleton. I always wanted to try these mini donuts. near Sparky's, so we're gonna give them a try. About to buy the 12 mini donuts for $8.99. All right, so those donuts were like made fresh right in front of us, and they asked if we wanted cinnamon sugar with it, and of course we did. But we're gonna definitely try it right now to see if they're yummy. So the donuts were good. I like that they were nice and fresh. The cinnamon sugar, you want to shake the bag so it could distribute through the donuts. Also, they are like a cake donut, but with a really soft texture. So I did enjoy them. They were good. All right, everyone. So that was our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. The park is just getting more packed and packed. So I'm about to leave, but I'm glad I was able to show you a few updates. Of course, we'll be back so I can show you more in the future weeks. Hopefully we'll get some more Halloween Horror Night updates, and I'll definitely be here to show you that. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.